Hello and welcome to my channel Khan Marketing. Today I am going to discuss you how a simple gig on Fiverr has earned over $800,000. This is part of a series. I have already shared few of the videos before. But before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then it is all about money making tips, digital marketing, becoming an entrepreneur, how to start your journey from home and leave 9 to 5 job. And also I will show you different case studies here. So if you are interested in those things, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon button to get notified when I create new videos for you. Before starting today's topic, if you want to make money online from home using my most recommended system, then I have mentioned the link in the description box below. This is the system which I have used and learned all those skills which helped me to make money online. When I have started out with this platform, I was totally a beginner just like you, and these are the results just because of using this system training and tools. You can join it as a free member and see what is inside. So let's get started. First of all, I will share you a gig, and then I will share you a simple tool or a software you can use it at your home for free, and you can make these type of things within 1 hour, less than 1 hour. So just move to the Fiverr.com. If you do not know about Fiverr, Fiverr is a marketplace where sellers sell their services and buyers, if they require anything, they will contact the buyer and place buyers the order, and they will complete their work from the Fiverr. So here is the gig. The gig is all about creating CVs or resume. So just look at the gig. I will create an entry-level resume, CV, cover letter or LinkedIn. This is a lady and she's from States, and she has completed over 12,000 orders and 29 orders are currently in queue, and her basic gig is selling for $45, standard $85, and premium $125. So if you just look at the basic gig, proofread and improve a basic resume entry level only. So for $45 she is just doing a proofread job and improve a basic resume entry level. So that's very basic stuff. Further, you look at edit and rewrite, editable file, review and critique, cover letter, optimize link and profile. So for $45 she will not going to do these two things, as these are not highlighted here. But if you click on standard, here you will see cover letter is highlighted, and if you look at the premium, then all these 5 things are highlighted. You can also read through these things to get the idea about what she is doing. But if you can know all these things, you can create a fully gig there. Or if you do not have an expertise on using LinkedIn or cover letter, but these are also very easy things. And but if you are happy with doing basic thing, then it is all right. And in this gig, what you will do, you will just take the information from the buyer, and I am going to your software, just put in that information, and your resume or CV will be ready for delivery. So let's look at the software. Just move to the canva.com. Canva.com is a free software or free website. Even they have a premium plan, but for this service we are using the free version. But if you want premium version at some later stage, you can definitely buy their premium package. But for free package, you can also use them at ease. So once you create an account with the Canva, just move to the section here, and you can see different types of designs out there: resume, YouTube thumbnail, logo, blog banner. And if you click on next, there will be other options for you. So just if I want to create a CV or resume, just look for that CV or resume. So here you are seeing resume design. Just click on it. You are seeing different templates out there on the left side of your screen, and on the right side there is an empty or blank page. Just choose your theme first, and you can see there's a free theme, free. So tons of free theme out there. Just choose the theme that you have to apply your skill here. Just get the information and see which template will best fit for that information. That's your own main task. Let's suppose I just want to use this theme. So click on this theme, and that theme will be appeared in your blank section of this page, and you can just increase its size from here. Let's suppose you want to make it 75%, or even you can make it more bigger than this 100%. You can now look at easily, and here you just click and you can easily edit that information. Let's suppose if the guy who are asking for a resume, his name is John, so just write John. You can just change the font here, and there are different fonts out there. Just choose the one which you are happy about, and after choosing the font you can just increase the size or decrease it from here. Let's suppose I want to make it 42. Now it's become more bigger. You can bold it, even you can change the color of the font here. Let's suppose you want to make it a red, and it will get red. And if you want to change the image, just click on that image and remove that image, and just remove that image, and you can add your image or the image that will be provided by the buyer. You can add that image from your uploads and upload an image, and it will upload from your computer, and you can easily drag and drop that image here, and it will be placed on that section. You can place the designation or further information here, and these are the skills, work experience, education, place his or her contact information. So that's how you can create this CV, and it would hardly take your 45 to 50 minutes. So just put in information and see whether it is looking good or looking professional, and you can even send that CV for a review, and if the buyer okay that or give you the positive signal or green signal, you can just provide that final order and complete your order. After completing the CV, just click on download button and choose the PDF file. Just PDF download. So this is the CV. You can now look at the CV, and this is how you can send this file to the buyer. If you do not want to use Canva, you can just create an editable file on the Microsoft Word. Just install MS Office on your computer, and MS Office has a tool that is called known as Microsoft Word. And just look at the videos on the YouTube and different platforms. You can find tons of videos about how you can create CV on a Microsoft Word. If you create CV on Microsoft Word, you can also create Microsoft Word file into the PDF file. So you can send the final version in the PDF file to the buyer. That's how you can complete CV, and this is very easy. I recommend you to start with $10 service for those or for that basic level CV, and you will see the orders will start flowing towards your gig. With the passage of time, once you start getting organic orders, or you will achieve a certain level like level 1 or level 2, you can increase your rate later on. That's how you can make some good income, and it is a popular category, and many people are making good money in this section. I hope you like this video. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section below. That's all for today. Thank you.